Ang balitang ito ay hatid sa inyo ng ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified, maker of world-class quality Pride detergent.
Biogesic. Sa sakit ng ulo, mag-Biogesic agad. Ramdam ang alaga. Most doctor prescribed pa. Biogesic. Ingat!
Number 1. Si Mommy at si Washing Machine believe sa Pride Washing Machine Detergent.
Hello, Washi!
Hello, Mommy!
Laundry day na naman! Ready ka na sa mancha, chocolate, putik, libag?
Kaya yan ang Pride Washing Machine Detergent. May triple stain-away formula. Tanggal ang makapit, malikit, at malupit na dumit mancha. Easy ang labada.
Mula noon hanggang ngayon. All you need is pride. All you need is pride.
Pride Detergent, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
Service above self. To help mostly the least of our brethren. Good day, everyone. I'm attorney Filomeno Arevalo Arteche III. I'm 66 years old and I'm a lawyer by profession. We need to uphold truth and justice, and that's the role of a lawyer, especially helping the poor. Walang pambayad sa abogado. I accept their case. Almost every day I have court hearings and several meetings with my clients. So it's quite stressful, pero I'm happy with what I'm doing. I'm a senior citizen. So as senior citizens, normally vulnerable na yan sa mga sakit. Take MX3. It's a food supplement, but at the same time, it improves your physical and mental health. It keeps you alert. Even in court proceedings, where the environment is so stressful, this helps me a lot. My weekends, I spend it with my grandchildren as my stress reliever for a week-long lawyering. Before I reach the age of 70, great-grandfather na ako. But I don't know, I don't look so old. Nagpapabata ito. Take MX3.
The President's Agenda, ang ikatlong State of the Nation Address ni Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr., the DZRH Special Coverage. Mapakikinggan sa DZRH Radio, matutunghayan sa DZRH TV at masusundan sa DZRH Online sa darating na Lunes, 22 ng Hulyo, ganap na alas 3 ng hapon.
May RightMed ba para sa allergies?
Check.
May RightMed ba pampalakas ng resistensya?
Check. May ride ba para sa body pain? Check.
Kaya huwag mahihiyang magtanong at hanapin ang check ng RightMed.
If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
RightMed. Pag may check, that's the right one. The right one is RightMed.
Art to art.
Ako po si Lisa Makuha Elizalde na nag-aanyaya sa inyong samahan kaming muli sa pagbabalik ng Art to Art. Alas 3:30 ng hapon dito sa DZRH Radio at DZRH News Television. Usapang sining at kultura para sa lahat tuwing araw ng linggo. Huwag kaligtaan.
Art to art.
Bayad po!
Oh, sukli.
50 minus 40? Paano? 10 po dapat na sukli ko.
Talino activated sa tulong ng Talino Booster Formula for multivitamins, minerals plus lysine Nutroplex. With proper diet and exercise, bilis isip pa ang anak mo.
Unilab yan.
Multivitamins plus minerals plus lysine is the generic name of Nutroplex.
Nutroplex Zero. Nutroplex with Talino Booster Formula. Tulong para bilis isip, todo focus, at bilis diskarte pa.
Pagbibili ng gamot, dapat subok, dapat trusted, dapat dekalidad. Alagang Unilab yan, alagang Unilab yan, alagang Unilab yan.
Mula kalidad ng gamot at vitamins ng Unilab at RightMed hanggang pampaganda ng UL Skin Sciences, alagang Unilab yan. Masakit ang ulo ko.
Fred, may work pa. I-Biogesic mo na yan.
Gamot agad? Baka may side effects.
Iba ang Biogesic. Most doctor-prescribed brand sa sakit ng ulo at lagnat.
Aba, maingat nga.
Jody Santa Maria po. Sa sakit ng ulo o lagnat, Biogesic agad. Alagang Unilab yan. Paracetamol is the generic name of Biogesic. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
sa pagtulong, sa paglilingkod, sa pag-alalay. Kasama si May Binauhan sa GCRH Public Service Hour.